Hi, I'm Kate, and this is Kate Learns Something. Today we're at the Children's Museum in Oak Lawn, and we're going to learn how to build a paper airplane. Come on.
I'm Hedy Hendrickson. I am the Director of Educational Experiences here at the Children's Museum in Oak Lawn. So paper matters with a paper airplane. Sometimes you'll want a heavier paper, sometimes you'll want a lighter paper, but this is the one we have today, and so you're going to start with folding it in half vertically. Then open it up, and you're going to fold this corner down to the middle. And then you're going to do the same to the other side. Everything you do to one side, you do the exact same to the other. And open it up and fold it the other direction along that crease that you made first. Okay. And then you're going to take this angle right here and you're going to pull it all the way down flat against the bottom. So you flip it over and do the same to the other side. So one more fold and then we're done. So you just do the same thing you did before. You're bringing this angle down to the bottom.
Okay.
Then you can do all kinds of things to change it up. And we like to teach here at the museum that mistakes are okay. And especially when you're building something. If it goes wrong, it's perfectly okay to learn from your mistakes and move on and try again. All right, so your paper airplane is done. You can do things like add tape to the bottom to keep it together if you're finding your design doesn't hold together, or you can add a paper clip to the front to change your center of mass, because center of mass is really important. And yeah, we're ready to try them. I'll make sure that they're happy.
Well, I learned something new today. I hope you did too. See you next time.